Planning a budget trip to the Cook Islands? You're in for a treat, but beware of common mistakes that could turn your dream vacation into a financial nightmare. Let's dive into the top 5 blunders to avoid for a cost-effective island escape. First up, accommodation. Many travelers gravitate towards well-known resorts, but this can quickly inflate your budget. Local guest houses, B&Bs, and homestays are not only more affordable, but also offer a genuine peek into the Cook Islands culture. Plus, with amenities like kitchen facilities, you can save even more by cooking your own meals. Next, transportation. While it's tempting to rent a car or hop into taxis, these can drain your wallet. Rarotonga's bus service is both reliable and affordable, covering most tourist spots. Biking is another wallet-friendly choice that lets you soak in the island's beauty at a leisurely pace, all while being kind to the environment. When it comes to dining, tourist restaurants can be pricey. Instead, explore local markets, food stalls, and eateries for a taste of authentic and affordable Cook Islands cuisine. Dishes like ikamata and rory are not to be missed and will give you a true flavor of the islands without the hefty price tag. Activities in the Cook Islands are plentiful, but failing to plan ahead can lead to overspending. Booking in advance can secure you the best deals and even early bird discounts. Don't forget to check out the free or low-cost activities too, like hiking or enjoying a day at the beach, which can be just as enriching. Lastly, don't overlook local events and festivals. These can offer affordable entertainment and a deep dive into the island's cultural heritage. From dance performances to handicraft markets, these experiences are often free or have a small fee, adding an unforgettable dimension to your budget-friendly journey. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your Cook Islands adventure is both memorable and kind to your wallet. Embrace local living, plan ahead, and immerse yourself in the authentic Cook Islands way of life for a truly affordable and extraordinary trip. Book with a Cook Islands specialist at Far and Away Adventures.